Ever struggle with opening a bottle of champagne? Molly here, and I'm going to show you the proper way to open a bottle of bubbly. All right, I'm going to show you how to do this in 4 steps. First, pretty simple, we're going to remove the foil. Most bottles have a little tab there to make it easy so you can keep the neck looking all pretty. Next, you're going to grasp the bottle by the neck and firmly hold your thumb over the top. Your cage is over to the side, you're going to have to use your non-dominant hand like I'm doing right now. And then we're going to twist while still keeping our thumb firmly in place. When you're ready to remove the cage, right back on top. You want to make sure there's always something keeping the cork from popping off the bottle because there's so much pressure in these bottles. It can fly across the room, give somebody a black eye, break a window. So we're good now. Thumb still in place. Step 3. There we go. I like to rock the cork back and forth a few times, and then you can kind of twist the bottle like so, like so. And step 4, wait for this. And then of course, pour yourself a glass and enjoy. Cheers.